Hey, it's Alan. So let me tell you, if your work buries you in long documents, reports, contracts, a 40-page, whatever, I'm going to show you how to get everything that actually matters out of one. And we're going to do it in about 2 minutes without reading the whole thing. I'll teach you the 5 steps that are required, and then I'll do it live in a real document so you can steal it. So this is AI made simple, and what I want to do is show you how we can simplify things. Let's be honest about something. Most of us don't really read all that long stuff. I don't. We skim it, we sign it, we hope we didn't miss anything, and then we move on. And every so often, the thing we skim past is the one line in that document that is going to cost us. The auto renewal we forgot to cancel, the fee that climbs every year, the clause that puts us on the hook. So for a long time, you had 2 choices: read every single page yourself or pay somebody to do it. And that's it, but not anymore. And here's the whole shift. And once it clicks, you can't unsee this. So stop reading the document. Start interrogating the document. You don't need to read all 40 pages. You need 3 or 4 things out of it. So instead of consuming it from front to back, you go in and you pull them out. And think of it less like reading a book and more like you're questioning a witness, right? So there's 5 steps. And like I said, they take about 2 minutes to get done. So step 1, drop it in. Any AI that accepts files, the one you already use, right? That's fine. Just paste it, upload a PDF, you're done. Step 2, and this is where almost everyone gets it wrong. Don't say, summarize this, because a summary gives you a book report, evenly boring and nothing ranked. Instead, give it a job. Tell it, you're my analyst. Pull the 3 things I'd most regret not knowing in plain English and rank by what matters. And watch the difference. No jargon, just the points that are going to move the needle. Step 3 is you interrogate it. Now ask the questions you'd ask a smart, slightly suspicious friend of yours. What's the catch? What's buried in the fine print I'd skim past? What would a sharp lawyer flag here that I'd miss? It'll tell you straight and no sugar. Step 4 is, and do not skip this one, make it prove it. Say, show me exactly where it says that. Because you never trust a machine blindly. They hallucinate sometimes. That's not smart, that's lazy. But when it points you to exact page and line, you verify it in 10 seconds instead of reading 40 pages to find it. That's the difference between trusting and checking. Step 5, you decide with your eyes wide open. You've got the 3 things that matter, you've got the catch, and the receipts to back it up. So, all right, let me actually do it so you can see that it's actually real. Say a vendor sends you a 26-page service agreement. The old move is you sign it and hope, or you pay a lawyer to read all 26 pages. Here's the new move. I drop it in and I say, you're my contract analyst. Give me the 3 things I regret not knowing. Plain English, ranked. And back it comes. 1, it auto renews for another year unless you cancel 90 days out. 2, the price can climb up to 8% every single year. 3, if something's going to break, you're liable, not them. So now I interrogate. What would a sharp lawyer flag that I'd miss? And it points to a quiet indemnity clause. on page 19. Then, never skip it, show me exactly where it says the 90-day cancellation. Page 4, section 2. 10 seconds to verify instead of an hour to find it. And now I decide with my eyes wide open in about 2 minutes. That 26-page contract that didn't get a vote. So look at what just happened. You didn't get lazy, you got sharp. The long document is not going to win in this case. Nothing important slipped past you. You caught the catch, you kept the receipts, and you got your afternoon back. That's what simplify means around here. Take the thing that's overwhelming, the thing that you were dreading, and make it small. That's it. You never have to read the whole thing again. How about that? So do me a favor. Try it on the very next long document that hits your desk and tell me in the comments what it cost. Subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. I'm Alan and this is AI Made Simple. Until the next time.